The PF-P3200 by Standard Horizon is a powerful, heavy-duty paper folder that is a great fit with copy shops, offices, mailrooms, and other high-volume environments. The friction-feed design is perfect for the most common office paper stocks, while simple design and operation mean that anyone in the office can quickly learn how to use it. It can fold at speeds up to 14,400 sheets per hour with an adjustable speed control that lets you select the speed and noise level for your location. To use the machine, simply place your sheets into the feed, select the sheet size and fold pattern, press start, and walk away. There are 6 preset fold types, as well as the ability to customize folds with simple setups. The unit memory will store up to 8 jobs for instant recall. The control panel is easy to navigate, making understanding operating procedures very simple. Cleaning and replacing folding rollers is quick and easy, requiring no special tools, making maintenance of the unit simple. For more information about the standard PF-P3200 paper folder, visit us online at Binding101.com or call the number on your screen.